Welcome to LeadFuzion lists, and today we're going to go over the popular list option here, and that's going to be making it really easy for you to come in here and select some popular lists that a lot of real estate investors and agents use, really mail to and whatever you want to do, however you want to market to. All right, the first thing you always have to do for any list is that you have to select your geography. In other words, where are you farming? Where are you looking to pull up and really go after some real estate deals from that perspective? Let's go ahead and pick Alabama. Let's make it easy here. Let's take the first city, Abbeville. All right, and you kind of notice here that the city is set up here. Now, for that city, we have 3497 is the count. And what you want to do next is go ahead and click on the popular list. Now, all these are going to come up here. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Most likely to sell: vacant single-family residences, absentee owners with at least 30% equity, and those are single-family owners as well, tired landlords, vacant land, and empty nesters. So that's the current list here. We'll be adding more like cash buyers lists and so forth coming soon. But we wanted to get some of these out so that you guys can make it easy for your list selection. All right, so what you have to do, it's really simple. You know, in terms of, you just kind of pick the list that you want, that you think is going to be the best for you. You know, if you want to build a rental portfolio, then you want to go after the tired landlords. If you want to go for wholesaling or flipping or whichever, you know, any of these will do, including empty nesters. Those are great ones. Now, if you're looking for vacant land, in other words, you're going to be building something on the vacant land, or if you just want to hold or wholesale the vacant land, that's a great list here too. So real easy to do. You can see that again that the count is 3497. Let's go ahead and click apply. And what that's going to do is it's going to add in a whole bunch of filters here automatically. So it's really easy. So that took that 3,400 list and now it's down to 610. Likely you can do, okay, let's just do the vacant single family residencies. Wow, took it down to 38. So really highly targeted. Let's do absentee owners with single family equity, 896. Tired landlords. Let's see how the tired landlords are here. 327. Vacant land. Oh, 993 vacant land in Alabama here. And again, all your filters are here. Your geography doesn't change. You can add more cities to it and so forth if you want. But here you have the property and the type and the ownership and so forth. Empty nesters. Let's do empty nesters. So you can see once you get that green check mark, you know that the filters have been applied, and you can see again the filters that are applied right there. Now you can always go into property and add in, you know, additional